So hi guys, today we are going to be seeing the 5 most used social networks, but we are going to be focusing in Mexico. So we're going to start telling that social networks also can be called social media, and these are all the programs, all the applications that can lead the population to connect each other and be in touch. A survey here in Mexico in 2015 said that there were around 119 million people, Mexican, living here in Mexico. So the question here is, what are the 5 most used social networks in Mexico? According to Statista, we're going to be seeing the 5 most used social networks. So the fifth one, with the 49% of the population that use this application, it's Twitter. And here's an example. This is a free app. Users can post called tweets. Here you can post hyperlinks, photos, videos, text that has to be less than 140 words. Also, you can send messages. And number 4, the first one is Instagram, used by the 57% of the population. And here you can upload photos, videos, edited with filters. You can set location, and also you can send messages. The third one is YouTube, used by the 88% of the population, and this is a video sharing service where users can like, share, comment, and upload their own videos. And the second one, WhatsApp, with the 91% of the population, used by the 91% of the population. And this one is application for messages, but also you can send documents, images, audios, videos. And here's an example. This application can be used in the computer. This is a computer version, but also you can use it in your cell phone. And now we're going with the first one, with the most used social network here in Mexico. And yes, this is Facebook, with the 98% of the population. The 98% of the population use Facebook, and this is a free, popular social network where you can create profiles, you can upload photos, video, text, and it is used to keep in touch with family and friends. According to Kathleen Clark Pearson and Alcosil on Communication Media, there are some risks about using these social networks in general, okay? And one of them are cyberbullying. This is an activity where you can be affected from other people depending on what you upload on social media. And also they say something called Facebook depression. That is a depression when you don't receive likes, when people don't take you in account in social media. So we have to be careful to know what we are going to upload in social media, because we cannot know what the other people are going to do with this information. So thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed this presentation, and here are the reference that I used. Thank you very much.